Previously, on our last vlog, we went to Vancouver and had an awesome time. Although we were there for a short period, we got to explore lots. Here, you will see in this episode of My Big Trips how we went to one of the most beautiful waterfalls. Watch until the end.
Start off the day with some doggy cuddles.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Today we have switched positions. I am driving us to Shannon Falls. We are in Squamish, BC, and we're gonna head out to Whistler today. We went to Vancouver yesterday. Wasn't our scene. It was pretty in some parts, but it's very crowded. Not for an RV.
Stanley Park though.
Stanley Park was beautiful. It's just humongous to go through in one day. And yeah, today we're headed out to Whistler. So we're gonna go to the Sea to Sky Highway and hopefully see some awesome things.
Yes.
All right, have a great day.
Geyser?
A geyser, which just shoots lava out.
A geyser.
A geyser.
Yeah.
It shoots hot.
The Whistler is right there.
It shoots really hot water out.
Quality, right?
Was it cold? Ah, it hurts. It's like just squished the cold water off of my finger.
More?
A third of it.
Crazy.
The nicest part though.
It's really pretty. And we made it to Shannon Falls, guys.
Yeah, let's go to a different waterfall.
Yeah.
There's 3 ways.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my big trips. Today we're headed to Shannon Falls. I thought I'd give you a quick update. It's so pretty there, and we've been discovering new things every time we are traveling in this journey, because we found out that we can get free water and free like you can dump the gray and black water from the RV for free at certain locations. If you just call them up that do like RV maintenance, or they sell RVs, they will let you do that for free. Like we got that done yesterday at Chilliwack here in BC, and you can stay for free at parking lots like Walmart, Rona, or a truck stop, or even some gas stations. They allow for you to stay there, and it's okay because you have everything on your RV, so you don't really need to look for an RV camping site unless you want that experience. You can have that. We're probably going to do that once we go to Kamloops, just because we really enjoyed that city, and it has a splash pad and dog park. So we're going to go back there, since we have to head back that way towards Ontario, and we will go through Kamloops after Whistler. So we would want to have a campfire tomorrow night. See my shirt?
Yeah.
Happy camper. Wasn't just putting gas.
The prepay officially.
And you had to prepay officially.
I don't know why it's like a native pump, I think.
Oh, it's a native gas station, so they have different rules. So they want you to pay before you pump, so you don't just walk away. Alright guys, we'll keep you posted with more updates of today. Today we had a really fun time though at Shannon Falls. It was beautiful, and the dogs even got to go swimming in the cold water, and Levi got dunked in there as well. So stay tuned.